Swagbucks can flag suspicious activity, even when you didn't do anything wrong, and in many cases the account gets temporarily restricted before a full review is completed. By the end of this, you'll know what triggers this warning, how to fix it step by step, and what not to do so your account doesn't get locked permanently. The first thing to understand is that this message usually comes from automated fraud detection, not a human review. It looks at login patterns, device changes, IP location shifts, and activity speed. If something looks inconsistent, the system can freeze earnings or block access while it checks the account. Start by stopping all activity immediately. Don't keep logging in repeatedly, because that can make the system treat the account as higher risk. Then try logging in once from a stable device and network that you normally use. Avoid switching between Wi-Fi, mobile data, and VPNs during this process. Next, clear your browser cache or app data. Corrupted session data can sometimes cause repeated, suspicious activity warnings even after the original trigger is gone. After clearing it, sign in again using the same device and location you usually use. If you can still access the account, go to your profile and check for anything inconsistent. Make sure your personal details are accurate, and that you're not running multiple accounts on the same device. Swagbucks is strict about duplicate accounts and shared device usage, and that alone can trigger restrictions. If you are locked out, the only real option is to contact Swagbucks support through the help center. When you submit the ticket, clearly state that you received a suspicious activity flag, and request a manual review. Include your registered email and a short explanation of your recent activity, like device change, travel, or login issues. Avoid submitting multiple tickets. Repeated requests can slow down the review process because they often get merged into one queue. Also avoid trying to create a new account while your case is open, because that can be treated as policy evasion. In most cases, if the account is legitimate, the restriction is lifted after review. If the system detects repeated policy violations, the restriction may become permanent, so how you respond matters. The key points are simple. Use a stable device and network. Clear session data once. And contact support only if the log persists. Your next step is to log in once carefully, without switching networks or devices, and then decide if a support ticket is needed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes for Swagbucks and other reward platforms.